We came to the sand dune. The beach is there and the ocean you can see. And here is the sand. It's like a mini desert. And we can take this something, I don't know, to slide. Here, see that? Where people slide. There are lines.
Somebody seems disappointed.
Of course. I think we slide down and use the same path.
Okay. Kind of working.
Good, very good. You have to try this way.
Alright, my turn.
Yes. You lay down, it's better. That way is longer, but it's not that steep. Oh, nice.
You have to push her. You have to put your leg inside. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right.
Now we
I'm so tired.
You hold. I'm gonna try this. My legs inside.
Yeah.
So it's not working. Yeah.
Yeah, it was working. Maybe you need water. What's up? You can't move? Somebody cannot move. It's done. Hold on.
Okay, I will see.
Take my life.
Okay. Better. No. They don't slide there much. But we can go check.
I can't see you.
Not fast.
It'll get faster maybe.
Wrong.
What's wrong? Fuck's sake.
Something was wrong in the beginning.
Ow, that hurts.
I hit you. Done with the swim and no, with the sliding. I wanted to slide more, but she was crying. Let's go, let's go.
You can extend your hand so that in the video you can see the video, me in the video as well. It's just not your
You could see me. It's just you open your eyes. Yeah, she was saying, let's go, let's go, let's go. I cannot anymore. I wanna drink. So we had to leave. Now we are leaving. Like this, full of sand. A little bit on my hands too. And here a little bit of the sand. God, can you hear her? She is crying even now. My God. Alright, so we almost reached our... I need to walk a bit faster so you could hear me properly. So you don't hear any other disturbing sounds. So yeah, here we took this thing to slide a bit further for $1.2. Okay, and now I'm gonna stop recording because she is blubbering shit behind. So done for now. The beach is there, that way. We are gonna go. There is the beach.